Ready to turn your Laravel app into an e-commerce powerhouse by securely accepting payments. First, we'll need to choose a payment gateway that suits your needs. Think Stripe, PayPal, or others. Each has its own SDK or API for integration. Next, we'll install the relevant package for your chosen gateway using your project's terminal. This sets up the necessary components in your Laravel application. Security is paramount. You'll then need to securely store your gateway's API keys. We'll typically do this in your application's environment file, ensuring they're not hard-coded. Following this, we'll create the necessary routes and controller methods to handle payment requests and responses from the gateway. This involves creating endpoints for initiating payments and processing callbacks. Then, we'll build a user interface for collecting payment details. This includes securely capturing card information or redirecting users to the gateway's hosted payment page. After the user submits their payment, the gateway will inform our application of the transaction's success or failure. Our controllers will then process this response accordingly. To keep track of everything, we'll store transaction details in your database. This includes the transaction ID, status, amount, and customer information for auditing and record keeping. Finally, you've successfully integrated a payment method. This opens the door to online sales, subscriptions, and a significantly enhanced e-commerce experience for your users.